Welcome back to Beautiful Iron Garage. It's been a while. I want to show you around the shop what we're working on, and then I want to move my 1930 Model A hot rod over to my wife's parents to get stored for the winter. So check this out in here. 1962 International Scout 80. This is getting a full rust repair job. Needed to be replaced from about here down all the way around. It's got new floor pans, rockers, bulkhead fitting, the whole bed inside and out. This is the quarter panel that came off this truck. This was actually replaced at one point in time, so this one's halfway decent. The other one is complete garbage. That's over there. That's the garbage pile over there. All new sheet metal in the bed. This is all braced up to keep it square before I have the rest of the body on there. Down this side you can kind of see what it is that we've been working on. Basically everything underneath all the exterior sheet metal is completely new. Inner bed rail, support pieces, inner rocker, toe board, everything in here that isn't red has been replaced, brand new, solid sheet metal. All the inner pieces, this is all handmade. This is all made from scratch. This truck was really rotten. Put that up there, like that, nice. Whole doghouse made from scratch. Wheel tubs, all this stuff, factory one of these, you won't see any of these beads rolled in it or anything. It's just dead flat, loud, flimsy sheet metal. So this is the first big project we did to get this done so we could fit fenders, so we could fit doors, so we could make sure this would actually be a truck once it was all done, basically. So got a couple more weeks on this, and then it'll go back down to my buddy Jeff's shop, Paradigm Auto, and he'll make it look beautiful for the owner. These fenders and doors, all of them came off another truck. It was not cheap to find stuff that was not even totally rust free, but it's way better than the garbage that we were working with before. Bondo, big huge patches. I wish I still had some of it. I scrapped all of it. Yeah, so that's this project. This was over the summer, took a couple months. And let's take a walk over to the barn. Can we see what we got going on over there? Right outside the shop door on our patio, we got my 91 S10 Blazer shop truck. She's a beast. Had this truck for many years. It seems like always something. Right now it seems like the rear end is totally blown out. So we'll just keep driving it until it doesn't drive anymore, and then we'll get a junkyard rear end. This is my barn down here. This is where the good cars get stored. This beauty is my 1961 Chevy Impala bubble top. I just got this car in June. Absolutely love it. No real major issues. The paint shined up beautiful. 283 power glide. Runs, drives down the road good. I want to do disc brakes on the front, but other than that, this car is not really going to be touched. It's minor interior stuff. I might put door panels on it, or I might just leave it as is. You know, if it's a little bit less than perfect, you worry about it just a little bit less. So this beast is getting moved today. If you've seen the channel before, you saw we put the exhaust on this car. I've only put a couple 100 miles on it since then. I haven't driven it a lot. There's a lot more I want to do to it. Stiffen up the body a little bit. Aftermarket Vega box is absolutely trash. Came with this. This is a total cost involved frame. And they come with it. It's an aftermarket or a rebuilt or whatever, but can't be adjusted. It's really sloppy. It's just kind of dangerous. So that'll be next year's project, hopefully. I want to make it, you know, it's comfortable around town, cruising around, go to a car show a couple miles away, but any kind of mileage is not very fun. Highway miles are not fun. Bad stretch of road is not fun. Body needs to be reinforced. This chassis came with a coilover rear suspension, and I'm suspecting that the rear coils that are in this are a little stiff. I got it jacked up a little bit to clear the body. Need a different offset wheel, softer spring. Just needs a lot of odds and ends to be perfect. So we're not doing that right now. We're gonna add some fuel stabilizer and we're gonna drive it. So this barn is about maybe 50 years old. It was a dirt floor when we bought the place. There was only the one door that you saw us walk through. So what we did was, it was actually Megan's idea. We took, the wall is made up of these 10-foot by 4-foot panels that were just bolted on from the outside. So Megan said, why don't we just put hinges on it so you can open it up, and that's what we did. So this is how the hot rod gets out. Oh, by the way, the reason I'm not storing it here is I got customer vehicles I need to have here for the winter time. So I have a place to put it, and this is the one I doubt I'm going to drive it again this year. So I might as well put it away now. It's October 1st. And the inspection expired yesterday, which is ideal for a trip like this. Some Stay-Bill fuel stabilizer. Custom gas cap. Don't get one of these, by the way. Just do something else. Ugh. That's cool, huh? That's cool. There's no leverage. Alright. Custom. Get one of the ones that you push on and it's got the little, you know, you can grab it and turn it. It works better than this. This the right way. Also, when you make your fuel system, make it come out at a 90-degree angle so the gas just comes right out. Adds a little character. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. No idea how much is going in at this point. driving around in a tree house that some kids built. Gallons in there. Super slow, so I'm gonna dump it everywhere. But it's gonna dump. Change the flag.
I'm gonna get some of it. I haven't seen you in a while.
I know, it's been a long time.
We can leave it over there, push the car right up against it. You know, just we'll put it sideways.
Right in the front. Okay.
Yeah, and then we'll put, let's put the tire up.
It's got custom 2 PSI patties on it. God, the car looks so good, but it rides so bad.
That's where she'll be. She will be protected by this.
I may never drive that car again. So Operation Hot Rod winter storage was a success, of course, as we are now driving home our beautiful 57,000 mile Oldsmobile Cutlass Sierra, which is a pleasure to drive compared to the Model A. Yeah, that thing definitely needs some work to be perfect, and it'll get done eventually. It's hard to look at some of the stuff you did as a younger person, and you know, it's just different build quality than what I do now. You know, I've kind of been putting off doing it just because I don't want to redo all the things that I've already done. But I really love the car, and I'm honestly kind of depressed just, you know, where it's at right now. But that's a bigger term project. We have other things to do in the meantime. So it's there. And over the past year, obviously, we haven't really made many videos, but I do get the emails to let me know that people are still subscribing, so thank you very much to those people. Turn around the highway here. And, you know, leave a comment, tell me which of our cars you like the most, which cars you'd like to see get worked on, and we'll have some genuine how-to metal fab videos coming. I have a lot of cool projects coming up.